Hello traders, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'd like to introduce to you our brand new trading journal. It's directly integrated within Optimus Flow, and it's free as an added benefit for all of our customers with a funded account over $100. So if you currently have an Optimus Futures account, regardless of the platform you use, this trading journal is free to you. We've also released Optimus Flow for free as an added benefit. So if you are a customer, feel free to take advantage of that. All features on Optimus Flow are now free, as well as our trading journal. So if you'd like to check out our new trading journal, you can visit the link in the top left of my screen shown currently. The URL is journal.optimusflow.app. I will put a link for that down in the description below as well if you'd like to take a look. Like I said, this is available for any Optimus Futures customer. If you're not currently a customer but are interested in the journal, feel free to sign up for a demo of Optimus Flow. It includes free access to our journal as well. Now, when you first visit this page, journal.optimusflow.app, you will be asked to log in. Now, if you're not sure which account this is actually your Optimus Flow account. So if you forgot what your username is, or you're not sure, you can actually go to accounts.optimusflow.app. This is our portal for Optimus Flow. This is where you can manage your Optimus Flow account. You can actually sign up here as well. You can change your password. You can access the trading journal through here, our help guide, available resources, download links, etc. But this is your Optimus Flow account. This is how you access the trading journal as well. So again, if you're not sure, just go over to that link. You can recover your account if needed. If you're not sure and already have an account, you can send our support an email as well. We'll help you out there. And again, this is available for demo users as well. So if you are interested and want to give it a try, you can head over to our website to sign up for Optimus Flow. We'll send you the download link for the platform. It'll ask you to create an account. And again, you just take that account that you sign up with. It's your email. You choose the password and you plug it into your trading journal. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the journal. Now, this journal is directly linked to Optimus Flow. Once you place your trades on Optimus Flow, there is a button to export your trades to the journal directly through the cloud. I'll show you how to do that in a second, but just keep that in mind. You do have to upload it. You have to click this button in order to upload your trades, but everything is done within one convenient click. Now, like I mentioned, this journal can be used with other platforms as well. It can technically be used with any sort of Excel, CSV file functionality. So if you do have your own platform or you do have your own data, as long as you import it with the correct format, our trading journal will take that format in and put it in a nice readable format, as you can see here. So as you can see, we've already uploaded our login with several different trades from over the past couple of weeks here. You can see various statistics. As you can see on the dashboard, we give you a brief snapshot of various statistics on your account: net profits and loss, profit factor, average drawdown, time in trades, things of that nature. You can see total losses, total wins. If you scroll through, you have various different tabs on the top left, which you can scroll through. This dashboard, as you can see, just shows mostly recent trades and a total snapshot of all trades on the account. But if you click into trades, you get a more individualized or bigger view of your trades. By default, we show 25 up front. Of course, you can choose less, you can choose more. In the top right here, you can search for specific trades, specific dates and times if you like. There's various filters you can apply. Same thing on the right hand side. You can adjust or edit these trades. So if you made a mistake or if you want to add comments, you can right click this little hamburger icon, we call it, on the right hand side under actions, click edit, and you can see there's various things you can change, customize if need to. There's additional parameters, so you can mark and score different trades for yourself. You can have your own little system if you'd like. You can tag trades. You can add markers. You see there's almost little emojis, if you will. So if you look at this with a brief snapshot or a brief glance, you can see using these markers how you did, if you'd like to do that for yourself. If you want to type in a comment so you can remember it for later, we also have that available too. Moving forward, we do have a whole gains and loss graph here, basically just showing you the bigger picture, you can see down here at the bottom, we do have a filter, so you can filter between date and time of your trades and see how your performance has changed over the months or days of your lifespan of the account. Symbol structure, this basically gives you a breakdown of statistics based on a symbol. So you can see on the left hand side here, I have various different symbols. And the journal basically just organizes it in a way that you can see P&L, quantity of trades, statistics, and your win rate on a per symbol or contract basis. Moving forward, we have time structure, and you can see this basically just shows you your time in trade, the actual dates and times of your trades, how they perform over the various days of the week. Just kind of giving you an idea of how your performance is on a day-to-day basis, seeing if there's any common themes among different days or different times during those days. This is, I called time structure the time in trades, but this is actually the tab here that does show your time in trade. So it shows you how long you've been in your trades, the average win or loss based on the time in your trades, your max time in trades, average time in trades, things like that. So you can kind of get an idea of your trading style and what works best in terms of how long you could potentially sit in a trade, how long or fast you need to get out, things of that nature. And then finally, we have a calendar view. This basically just shows you, as you can see, a breakdown of day to day based on your P&L for that day, your total wins and loss of that day, and again, how you do on various stages of the week. And you can filter based on today. You have yesterday. You can filter by month. The calendar, as you can see in the top right, can be adjusted just based on these arrows and the day of the week selector here. So that's a brief glance at the journal. Of course, you do have, if you have multiple accounts, you can filter them in the top right, buy or sell trades, various statuses. Again, you can filter by symbol or tags for yourself. Now, the important part, of course, is how to implement your trades. So like I mentioned to you guys before, we do have a swift, convenient button right within Optimus Flow that you can import your trades. So if we open up the trading platform, you'll notice we added a new button to our trades tab. Now I'm using the default layout of Optimus Flow. You may have reorganized your workspace or you may not be using this. So if you don't have this same workspace or you customize it and you're no longer using the default, you can access the trades window by clicking on the top left, the Optimus Flow logo, scrolling down, and then going to TRD, trades. If you click on this button, you'll see there's a new section for export to journal. If you click on this, anything in your journal here will go straight to the web, directly to the web journal that I just showed you. So we don't have any trades for today, but I'll play some test trades and I'll show you how it works. So there's no rhyme or reason to the trades that I'm going to be placing here. I'm simply doing this just to generate trades for my log in order to show you how it performs on the journal. This is a demo account, and again, I'm not doing anything specific here, not using any sort of strategy. I'm just going to place market orders, get filled here, get my trade tab populated, and show you what happens when I export this in real time. So I just placed a 5-lot order on crude oil. I'm going to just flatten at the market, get out here just to generate some trades for my log. I'm going to do this on one more symbol as well, just so we can see the differences on a symbol basis. So here's the micro NASDAQ contract. Let's go ahead. This time we're going to place a sell order with a quantity of 1 at the market. Get filled. Let's wait just a few seconds here, generate some P&L, and then let's flatten. Okay, so we now have a total of 4 trades. We have 2 entries and 2 exits. One didn't generate any P&L, one did. So let's go ahead and click export to journal. You'll see you'll get a confirmation. Do you really want to export your trades into the journal? We're going to click yes. And now you can see export trades complete. So now if we go back to our internet browser and we go back to our trades, all we need to do is refresh the page. and you will see the 2 trades I just placed. For confirmation, you can see the current time on my computer is September 22nd, 2021 with the current time. You can see that we're in exchange time here, Central Time on the journal. And you can see I've just imported those 2 trades. Unfortunately, the one didn't generate any P&L, but again, there wasn't any rhyme or reason to my entry or exit point. I just wanted to generate fills to show you how this works in real time. And again, this was all in a demo environment, but for the purpose of this video, it does a good job showing you how to export or import trades into your journal. Now, there are a couple of other ways to import your trades as well. You can do this manually if you'd like to. You'll notice in the top right-hand corner, we do have a logout button or account settings you can access, but more importantly, you can add your trades. So there's 2 ways to do so. One, manually. So to do this, all we need to do is type in our account name, type in the date and time. You can, buy or sell, and then you enter in your symbol. So you can click this. We have a it is autofilled based on your past entries. So if you have those, you can populate those, or we pre-populate a bunch of symbols as well that you could use based on your past entries. So again, we could just type those in if we want to. Let's change this since the new contract is the December. Or you see we have MES as well. You can enter in. All we need to do is enter in the price. So again, this is manually, so you'll just need to go ahead and type it in if you'd like to. Again, this is probably not the correct market price at this time, but for demo purposes, this will do. Same thing with quantity, same thing with P&L. You can just enter it in manually. Again, there's no rhyme or reason to the numbers I'm choosing here, just showing you how it works. And again, like I showed you in the beginning of the tutorial, if you do import manually, you can choose these advanced parameters from the beginning. So you can enter in a score for your trades, you can enter an emoji, type a tag, and then a comment if you'd like. We can click on add trade, and you can see that here. You can see what it looks like with my markers. You can see what it looks like with the score, comment, and what it looks like if there's a gain on the trade. Now, finally, what you can do is you can import from a file. So currently, and we plan on adding more, there are 3 platforms that you can import with pre-populated import formats. We have Optimus Flow, RTrader Pro, which is Rhythmic's own platform, and Sierra Chart. So if you're coming from those platforms, all 3 of these platforms have Excel functionality, CSV exports. So you can actually go into those trade logs, and we have the correct format for these CSV files that you can use to import directly into Optimus Flow. Now for this video, I want to keep it relatively short, so I'll show you how to manually import trades if you export from Optimus Flow. So if for whatever reason you want to manually export from Optimus Flow rather than using our export to journal button, you can click on the hamburger icon of your trades window. Again, you can go to the main menu, go down to TRD. If you click this icon, you'll see there's an option for export data. Now, on our journal, you'll see most of this stuff has been automatically done for you. If you click export to journal, that's the easiest way to do this. If you'd rather use it this way, I would suggest just click check all columns and export the file. You're going to want to choose a name for it. I'll keep it trades. We can click save. I'll overwrite my previous file. And then when we go to our journal, all we need to do is click choose file, click on trades, click start import, and you can see it tells us 4 trades were processed. Now, you're not going to see anything because the trades I have imported were the same exact ones I also imported directly from Optimus Flow. But that is how it's done. If these were new trades generated, you would see them populate in our trade log here. Just for time's sake, I do not want to generate any more trades on the account and keep this simple. But that about sums it up for the new trading journal. Just wanted to keep it simple, show you the different things you can do with the journal currently and how you can import your trades. Again, if you import them manually or import by file, you can technically use whatever platform you'd like to export your trades. Just make sure if you're using it by the file that your fields on your CSV do match the same fields we have here on the dashboard. You see, you want to make sure it's in this format: by symbol, price, quantity, result inside, in status as well. The rest of the stuff you can enter in manually if you like. But that about wraps it up. If you do have any questions, please leave a comment down below. You can visit our community forum as well and go ahead and post in the Optimus Flow section, and we'll definitely answer any questions you have. Again, if you're interested in this, whether you're a current Optimus customer or would like to be one, you can go ahead and sign up for a demo of Optimus Flow down in the link below, and I'll also put a link for the trading journal as well that you can access. Thanks for watching. We hope you find this video helpful, and we hope you enjoy the new trading journal.